Nandiyan na?
Ayun na.
Wala na si Kate. Nandiyan na, attorney. Nandiyan na?
Opo.
Video na lang po.
Sige ma'am, may problema.
Video na lang po.
Say, pwede na
Kabayan.
magpakilid, Say.
Kim, diyan na lang siguro siya.
Sige ha.
Okay, sana.
Ay, Sayron.
Ay, di ko niya yung phone.
Ay.
Kalabas na. Doritos na naman ang bit-bit ni Kate. Kalabas na. Doritos na naman ang bit-bit ni Katie. Oh.
Sorry, I won't be able to stay long. I have medication that's due at 3 p.m. So
Okay, so
I need to get
no
going,
questions, just
a brief summary. First thing when we sat down, the first thing he did was compliment my duster because I didn't have time. I was quite sick. Actually, dun ako nagkilamos sa loob actually. So he complimented my duster. Hindi siya nakikinig sa akin. He was yung langaw. And then sabi ko, "Uy, are you listening to me?" Sabi niya, he was distracted today because of the fly apparently. But towards the latter part of our conversation, he's happy to hear that the family is doing well, and of course he was checking up on me because I told him before coming here I had to run to the pharmacy to get some medication. But ayun, he said as long as I'm doing okay, he's fine. And I told him that all of you are waiting here today, so he sends his warm love and regards, of course. And then he says na no regrets and no apologies. He did what he could for his country. So, and then ayun, hi daw sa inyo. Sabi ko, do you want to say something? Because all of them, they wait outside for you every day. So, ayun, hello, and his love and gratitude, and ayun, yung message niya.
Okay. Now, can you accommodate the first timers at least for pictures? The first timers.
Can we do it?
Yeah. Oh, first timers, go.
Kate, how is his health? Okay lang.
His health is okay. He's eating. He ate before I visited, but I also brought him a few snacks again. This one.
Yeah, Doritos. Okay, yan na ba yung picture mo? Okay, ready, set, go.
Kate, were you able to talk about Kadayawan?
Yes, I was able to mention. Then sabi ko, malungkot yung lava, walang prutas. Wala ka. Then ilang.
Oh, okay. Thank you, Kate.
Thank you.
Next.
Thank you.
Okay po si Tatay Digong. Sabi ni Bibi Kate. Si Alvin and